Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download the AI Celebrity Voice Clone. This is the Chrome extension that you can try. This is the voice generator. You can select your favorite AI voice model library, input the content to be generated, select the language to be generated, as well as your favorite emotion and speaking speed. So here, experience Celebrity Voice now by click add to Chrome and click add extensions. So this plugin is not only for entertainment but also for educational purposes, making it useful in fields such as language learning and education. Let's try. Click this AI Celebrity Voice, enter the text you want your model to say, and this is the model that you can find. There is an anime model. This is the Zoro, even Ronaldo, Donald Trump, Homer Simpson, Luffy, a former Indonesian President Jokowi also, Lionel Messi, and so on. So let's try enter the text you want your model to say. Let's say hi guys, and English with the happy, let's say the default, and let's click on I show speed and simply generate. If the API request failed, you have to try another character until the API request is not failed. So here an API error failure means server cannot find the requested resource from the API provider. So here maybe there is a bug, so you have to find until you can find the voice that running well. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.